You know that moment when creativity strikes, but your tools just can't keep up? Yeah, every artist has been there. Well, 2026 is packed with insanely powerful drawing tablets that make digital art feel more natural than ever. From pro-level iPads to standalone sketch pads built just for artists. So whether you're an illustrator, designer, animator, or hobbyist, these are the best drawing tablets of 2026 that'll turn your ideas into digital masterpieces. Let's start with the beast, the Apple iPad Pro 13-inch M4. Apple basically re-engineered this thing for creators. The Ultra Retina XDR display is mind-blowingly sharp. Every color, every shadow looks like it's straight out of reality. It's powered by the M4 chip, which means it handles heavy-duty design apps like Procreate, Affinity Designer, or Adobe Fresco with zero lag, even with multiple layers and complex brushes. Pair it with the Apple Pencil Pro and you get pixel-perfect precision, tilt detection, and haptic feedback that mimics real pencil resistance. The LiDAR scanner even helps with 3D modeling and AR projects. If you're an Apple ecosystem user, this is the gold standard for professional artists. Powerful, portable, and future-proof. Link for the iPad Pro M4 is in the description. If you want a true standalone drawing experience without needing a computer, the XPPen Magic Drawing Pad is a total game changer. It's a 12.2-inch tablet with a paper-like matte screen, 16,384 pressure levels, and a battery-free X3 Pro Slim stylus that feels uncannily close to sketching on real paper. The display has zero glare and smooth texture, perfect for long sketch sessions. You get 8 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage, so you can draw, export, and edit directly on the device. It even runs Android apps, meaning you can sketch on Infinite Painter, Clip Studio Paint, or Medibang Paint Pro right out of the box. This is for artists who don't want to be tied to a laptop. Just grab it, sit by a window, and draw anywhere. Check the link for the XPPen Magic Drawing Pad below. If you're someone who loves to draw and chill, the Lenovo Tab Plus 24 balances creativity and entertainment perfectly. It's got an 11.5-inch 2K LCD display, 8 JBL speakers, and the MediaTek Helio G99 chip, making it great for both sketching and Netflix marathons. While it's not a professional drawing tablet, pair it with a good stylus, and apps like Sketchbook or Concepts run smoothly. For casual artists or students, this is an affordable, well-rounded tablet that doubles as your daily driver. Link for the Lenovo Tab Plus is in the description. Now, if you're all about canvas size, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is your digital mural. It packs a 14.6-inch AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chip, and a massive 11,600 mAh battery. The S Pen comes included with near-zero latency and insane pressure sensitivity that makes shading and line work buttery smooth. The screen's so vibrant, you'll notice every color shift instantly, whether you're painting, editing, or storyboarding. Plus, Samsung's Dex mode lets you turn it into a full desktop setup with a keyboard and mouse when needed. It's ideal for serious artists, illustrators, and digital designers who need both precision and performance. Find the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra link in the description. And for the purists, meet the Wacom MovinkPad Pro 14. This is Wacom's answer to portable, all-in-one creativity. It runs on Android, features a stunning 14-inch OLED display with anti-glare matte finish, and ships with the Pro Pen 3. No batteries, no lag, just pure accuracy. The pen has 8,192 pressure levels, and Wacom's precision tracking is unmatched, perfect for professionals in animation, concept art, or design. With 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage, it's built for multitasking and high-resolution artwork on the go. It's pricey, but for serious digital creators, this is the closest you'll get to that classic Wacom Cintiq feel in a portable body. Link for the Wacom MovinkPad Pro 14 is in the description. So there you have it, the best drawing tablets of 2026. If you're deep in the Apple ecosystem, the iPad Pro M4 is unbeatable. If you want a portable all-in-one, XPPen and Wacom are redefining standalone creativity. And for budget-friendly creators, Lenovo and Samsung give you massive value for the price. All links are in the description. Go find the one that matches your creative flow. Because in 2026, it's not about what you draw with, it's about what you create.